Wait, instead of running up the stairs to get away from the killer, why don't you just run out the fucking front door? Oh, you know a shortcut through the woods? Yeah, you're definitely planning to kill me. Before you even get that chance, I brought a firearm. Baby, look at this beautiful house.
Leave now.
Well, too bad, we gotta go. The killer is down, so you wanna hit him once and then throw the weapon away? No, I'm not leaving until we hit this bastard with like a death ray. Do not touch that dog. Should we pick up that hitchhiker? Should we not fucking do that? If any one of you reads or speaks in Latin, I'm hitting you with this chair. Do I wanna use a Ouija board to summon a demon named Ball Crusher? Let's summon you to a mental hospital. Should we hide in the cemetery or get in the moving car? I can feel my blood pressure rising. Is that blood on your cheek? Try something, bitch. Why are we considering taking the guy who is obviously bit by a zombie into our group? Hey man, I don't mean this personally, but if you try to come with us, I will throw you out of a moving vehicle.
Hey guys, I think we should split up.
Ah!